Hi, this is Alex Pault, and I'm here today with my friend Bastien Lang from ROHM Semiconductor, and well, we're in a new facility. Isn't this a new place? It's a really nice new place. Can you tell us a little bit about this new place?
That's true. So actually we just opened today in a little press event our new power lab here in Willich, which is located close to Düsseldorf. So you are in the European headquarters of ROHM Semiconductor, and if you look here behind this, you see our new high power lab that we basically built up here in Europe to support European customers in applying our new silicon carbide technology.
Right. Well, I mean, there's a lot of moving parts there, no pun intended, and to help them design it in helps you, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Now, obviously you can test other things than silicon carbide here, high power lab, right?
That's correct, yeah. So we are a well-known supplier also for high-power IGBTs, silicon MOSFETs, diodes, and so on and so forth. Also, silicon carbide modules or IGBT modules that we manufacture mainly in Japan. So our customers here usually face the challenge that when they design their end equipment, they might not have the big and very expensive facilities in place to actually do the testing of their end applications, and that's where we can support them with here in Willich in Europe.
Very, very cool, Bastien. Now, what are some of the challenges when you're talking about an average engineer getting this new technology and designing it in? What are some of the challenges you plan on helping them with?
So, so the main reason why you want to apply silicon carbide in your application is because you want to push down the actual volume of the end application. You want to squeeze out the last bit of performance because silicon carbide is very expensive. You want to really squeeze it out and make sure that you get the most out of it and make your design as efficient as possible. Mm-hmm. So we can help them with, first of all, basically making measurements of their existing equipment when it comes to switching losses or general losses in their applications, and we could compare that with their existing application and to make measurements on both the old silicon-based version and the new silicon carbide-based version and show them the real benefit of it. We can also help them with thermal designs. We do have thermal simulation infrastructure in place where we can help them basically evaluate the thermal performance of the overall application and optimize it for their system.
Very nice. And well, power management is thermal management, right?
It is, that is true, yeah. Big part of it.
So, what are some of the other areas that you plan to work on in here, or is this specifically for the silicon carbide devices and you'll be doing other things in other places, or are you going to bring more functionality here?
So this is mainly for, let's say, high power stuff. So when we talk about high power, we're talking about our IGBTs, our new silicon carbide technology, also diodes and MOSFETs. That's what we're going to be working here on mainly. We do have another, let's say, smaller lab that we already had before, where we do all of our LSI testing, development, and support for our customers, which is actually right over here. But the new power lab is mainly intended for this new high power applications for silicon carbide and also IGBTs and high power silicon-based products.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Bastien, for taking the time to let us talk here.
You are welcome. Thank you for your time.
Excellent. Here, let's take a quick look-see.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, it's still running.